this spring. Now, Jimmy Chill said that in his piece, meaning that's me, Jimmy Chill.
Yes.
And I have been pilloried on this. Dom's obviously more liked than I am. It could be related to golf. I don't know. But what he did say was, if you look at these core issues, they're down so much that it's almost impossible to believe that this isn't basically the peak. And I thought it was so cogently argued. I think we have to stay ahead of this.
Meantime, we did hear yesterday from Daly, said she's most likely 75. Mester kind of dodged. Bostic said everything's in play.
Right. Mester was reminded me of Greenspan. Remember when Greenspan was always like John Ford.
Like who? John Ford.
On the one hand.
For a second, I thought you...
No, not John Ford.
Like
not Stagecoach. Hey, Stagecoach holds up. John Ford did some great work, too, in World War II. People don't remember that. But, implied Dow down 500. Nightmare on Wall Street.
Don't let your attention get strayed. You're talking about, you were talking about John Ford.
John Ford does that. No, he does on the one hand, on the other.
Oh, right.
But,
okay, so where were we?
Well, I just saying come on, Janet Yellen.
Mester.
I'm saying when you listen to Mester, she's doing on the one hand or the other. Now, obviously, the futures are signaling that this is going to be a major, major decline, and that it is at the hurricane, let's just say
all right. On the hurricane note, I do want to share updates from the J.P. Morgan analyst call, because what I read you at the top of the show was from Mr. Diamond's comments on the press call.
Okay.
J.P. Morgan typically does a call with the press prior to their analyst call. Here's what he had to say just moments ago about the consumer. In good shape. Spending money, more income, jobs are plentiful, spending 10% more than last year, almost 30% plus more than pre-COVID. He says businesses, when you talk to them, they're in good shape, doing fine. We've never seen business credit be better ever, like in our lifetimes, and that's the current environment. Those are all very positive statements from Jamie Dimon. Now, the future environment, not that far off, and again, I'm quoting here, hopefully word for word, involves rates going up maybe more than people think because of inflation, stagnation, maybe a soft landing. I'm simply saying there's a range of potential outcomes from a soft landing to a hard landing, driven by how much rates go up and effective quantitative tightening in the markets. But again, to come back to his comments about the consumer and business, those are positive, not negative.
On the one hand, on the other.
It's, however, what his expectations are.
It's a John Ford speech.
In a quickly rising rate environment, and what that will mean come even a few months from now.
Well, the Dow futures have gone down even since you started talking. Big Dow stock.
I mean, I would point out B of A cuts its 10-year yield forecast today. Year end, they were at 3.5. They go to 2.75.
Holy cow!
They go to 2.5 end of 23.
So the Fed's going to have to cut.
They're building in, as they said earlier, mild recession in the second half. So yes, deeper Fed cuts next year.
Boy, Jay Powell does not come out as the hero in these. I've been taking a lot of heat by saying anything good about Jay Powell at all. So I am saying maybe incredibly nice man. I am not giving up on Jay Powell. People have given up on Jay Powell. David, they've given up on Jay Powell the way they've given up, say, on the Washington Nationals, you know?
That's a love affair that will go on forever, you and Jay.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I happen to like Jay Powell very much.
Our viewers are well aware.
I think he was caught up in a public health problem. I think that the Chinese are still caught up in it.
There's a war that came out of nowhere in February.
Did he have anything to do with the war?
No, he didn't.
Right. So what, you're just going to hang him on things like the war and the Chinese COVID policy?
I did not say that I was.
I think you should have done 100. I was in the 100 basis point camp so early that people laughed. They laughed at me.
They laughed at you.
But they're not laughing anymore.
No, they're not.
Gershwin, they all laughed, right? At Christopher Columbus.
I think that the Ella version of Gershwin Greatest is so good.
Died at 36.
I know.
Yeah, we had. Do you know that he had brain cancer, and he said his brain smelled like burnt tires.
Tragic. Imagine what he could have done.